Hello everyone. So today we are going to be using virtual manipulative on Didax called base 10 blocks. So I'll show you how it works. First, it opens up with a grid that shows thousands, hundredths, tens, and ones. And then down here you could see on the right that you can take the grid away completely. So you can take it away. Or you could rearrange it so that it shows thousands to ones, because currently it's in ones to thousands. So let's show you what that looks like. So it switched it, and so then it's ones, tens, hundredths, and thousands. And then above those here, you have the blocks themselves. So you have, let me just fix this back to the original way. So you have the 1 block, 10 blocks, 100 blocks, and 1,000 blocks. So you can put them here. So you could say 1,000, 100, 10, and 1. And if you want, you could add more. If you want to separate it like this, or if you want to do something different, that's fine too. Then you can use a pencil on the side here, and you can say like 2, 30, and if you don't like something, like I don't like the 0, the way that it came up, you could just click it with the eraser and it goes away, and then just grab the pencil again and you can fix it. So today I'm going to actually be using this to show you a division problem. So to do that, oops, didn't mean to move myself. So to do that, you can refresh the page and it brings you a brand new slate. And then you can get rid of the grid because we're not going to be using that. And the problem that I have today is 124 divided by 2. So what this is asking is how many times does 2 go into 124? So to represent the 2, we're going to draw 2 groups. Nope, that's not a good circle. I'm going to be big. So we'll do 2 circles to represent the 2 groups. And then we will grab some of the blocks. So for the 100, we grab 100 blocks, and then the 20, we bring 20 blocks, so 2 10s, and then the 1s, we do 4, which makes 124. And then what you're going to do is you're going to separate them into the 2 circles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you want to make sure that they stay together so that it's easier to count. All right, and then so you can move these 10s like this. And then here the 100th block is not able to be divvied up like that. So what we will do is you can line them up here, and you can see that the 10s block lines up with the 100 exactly, because 100 is 10 times 10. So there would be 10 blocks. And you're able to line them up on this block, but it'll just be too much time, so rid of that. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have 100 blocks in 10s instead of 100. And so we can separate that evenly between the 2 groups. So that's what you'll do. All right, and that went in with no problem. And so what you'll end up doing here to make sure that you got the right answer is just make sure that they're equally divided between the two groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, 1, 2 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and 2 ones. So both of them have 62, and 62 is your answer because 2 goes into 124 62 times, and that's shown here, represented by the two groups. So that's a fun way that you can use base 10 blocks to show students that they can do division with a large number. And if they wanted to, they can go and count everything out too. But just for the sake of time, you can look at it that way.